Got a couple limitations today. I didn't think the weather was going to be good, so I didn't bring a tripod. I wasn't planning on filming a lot, but it's pretty nice. So I'm going to try to film a little bit, but I don't have a whole lot of battery, so I'll do what I can. That is the cleanest smelling porta potty I've ever been in. Thanks, Rhonda. Not sure exactly where I'm going, but that's part of the fun. I think I know enough to get myself to where I need to be. Maybe. I don't think I need my sunglasses. I think it's safe to say I am social distancing. I have to make sure to check my tick for beards. I just remembered one thing I was going to do, and then I'll stop filming and I'll actually do the hike. I was going to check my Fitbit and see how many steps I have. It's 73:22. We'll see how many I end up with at the end of this hike. More river crossings. I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to end up where I thought I was going to end up, but I'm kind of just following this trail to see where it takes me. Right, so that's something, just not sure what. I'm afraid it may be the lake, not the waterfalls. I don't hear any water, so. I hear water. That's a good sign. This is my favorite part so far, just walking along the creek. Bridge was out, so I had to cross over there. I would have filmed it, but I needed all of my faculties to not fall into the creek. Yep, it's the lake. I don't think this stump is very secure. It's a little wobbly. This is nice. I don't know if I'm going to make it to the waterfall, but this is pretty nice. Made it to the airstrip.